phobia. Last time I started pushing, I had to get sent up.
Go, nigga, go.
Why would you push me, you asshole? Oh my God, it's so horrible. Who wants to leave me sit? I let myself in the room. I should have brought it down with me. I'm stupid. You could have left. Right? You really could. Especially if we got a show too. Right. Okay, I'm done recording because it takes things really bad. Look at all these people. Okay, there you go. No, don't.